Hello friends, welcome to GATE Mechanical lecture classes. Now we are going to solve a problem from GATE 2020 set ME1, and this is regarding a beam which is shown in the figure. So this is a compound beam AB and BC which is hinged at point B. So this is a hinge at point B and loading is shown in the figure, and you have to determine the magnitude of reaction force at joint C. So magnitude of reaction force at joint C, and that will be in kilonewton. So you have to determine it up to round off, and the value has to be round off to 2 decimal places. So let us draw the beam once again here, and let us check what is the difficulties associated with this. So this is point A, this is B, and this is C. Now let us find out what are the reaction forces. So as this is a hinge joint, so there will be a vertical reaction, that is RC. Here will be another reaction force, that is RB, and here RA, and one reaction moment MA. Now there are 4 unknowns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a statically indeterminate beam. So this is a statically indeterminate beam. That is, the reaction forces cannot be solved with the help of equation of statics. So what we will do? We will apply a boundary condition, and the boundary condition is that the internal moment at the hinge B is 0. So the internal moment at hinge B is 0. To apply that, we have to separate 2 beams, A and B, and we will draw their free body diagrams. So let us do that. This is beam AB, this is RB, and this is 50 kilonewton. If we draw for the beam BC, that is like that. So for BC, this is RC, and this length BC to B to C, that is 4 meter, it is given here. B to C is 4 meter. So the total load of uniformly distributed, that is 10 kilonewton per meter. So the total load is 40 kilonewton. Total load is 40 kilonewton, and the resultant will act at the midpoint of BC. So the resultant load will act at the midpoint of BC, that is, this is 2 meter and total is 4 meter, and one reaction force here RB. Now what is our boundary condition? The internal moment at point B is 0, as it is a hinge. So internal moment at hinge B is 0. So let us apply that, that is MB is equal to 0. And also summation of MB for equilibrium, summation of MB is 0. So let us take moment about this point for this portion of beam, that is BC. What will be that? RC will get RC into 4. Distance of RC from point B is 4 minus 40 kilonewton, and distance of B to this midpoint is 2 meter. So into 2 is 0. So RC becomes what? 80 by 40, that is 20 kilonewton. And this is the answer. We have solved the problem. The answer is 20 kilonewton. So what we have done, this is a compound beam with hinge. This is a compound beam with hinge, and this is statically indeterminate because 4 unknown reactions are there. So to solve them, we have to put a boundary condition. What boundary condition we have? We have considered, that is internal moment at hinge B is 0. And then we have separated two beams and drawn their free body diagrams, and from using the portion BC we have determined RC. So if we have determined RC, then RB plus RC is 40. So RB is also 20 kilonewton, as RB plus RC is 40. If RB is known, then this is known, and from this free body diagram, how many unknowns remaining? MA and RA. So from this free body you can determine MA and RA. So if you have been asked that what is the reaction moment at the fixed end, that you can also determine, and what is the reaction force at fixed end, that you can also determine. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you best of luck in your GATE examination.